from the lightest product to the dark one. I feel like maybe I should mist my face again so I can blend well. I don't know and do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to show you all the final looks in that square. Hi Belle, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amina, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. Today I am going to be trying this makeup arc I have seen around the social media. I'm pretty sure like if you're a beauty enthusiast, you must have seen this makeup arc. It's called the single layer makeup look, where like you apply all your cream products at once before applying your powder product. It was on Instagram I first saw this arc, and I had to trace it to where it came from, and I realized it's from Chloe Morello. I hope I got her name right. I'm going to leave that video somewhere here so you can see what I'm talking about. I had to trace that to YouTube. So basically I'm going to be following a tutorial to see how that goes. It's my first time trying it, but let's see how it goes. That's what we'll be doing today, because I feel like with that you don't really need to apply so much makeup, and the way people have been raving about it is like your makeup comes out flawless, and who does not like a flawless makeup look, you guys? I'm here for the flawless look anytime, any day. So apparently today there's no power, but I have decided that either there's power or there's no power. Once I have decided that I am creating content or shooting a video, I am going ahead with it. Whenever there's power, it will meet me there. I really do not want to depend on power or on whatever to get things done again, because I feel like I really get to procrastinate about so many things with that. So I'm not gonna wait on them. I'm just going to continue, and let's see how that goes. Pretty sure we can still work with this lighting right now, so let's just get right into it. So all I'm going to do is apply all my cream products all at once. So I'm going in first with my concealer. So yeah, this is the Nuban Beauty concealer in 041. This is what I'm going to be applying in my inner corner, followed by this one in 042, still Nuban Beauty. Then the last shade I'm going to be applying, like my concealer shade, is 043 in my outer corner. I've seen a lot of people applying their foundation with their fingers as well, so that's what I'm going to do today, because I do not want to end up with so much product. So I'm just putting the concealer on the mixing pan, so I'm going to go in with it now in dots. I had already prepped my face off the camera, so this is just getting into the look straight up. Also, I did not prime my face, you guys, because with this look she did not apply a primer. I'm pretty sure that it worked for her, so let's see how it goes here. So I'm going to apply the last shade now. I'm using my smallest finger. Is it called the pinky finger or something? That's what I'm using. If you can hear any noise, just ignore, you guys. These are some of the things I'm talking about. Just ignore the noise. So I'm going to add on now and just highlight all the other parts of my face I will usually highlight using that same concealer, using those concealers from Nuban Beauty. So I'm going to be using this Revlon colourstay foundation to contour my face in 410 cappuccino. What I really like about this technique is that I really do not have to go in with so much makeup, but I really cannot wait to see how this turns out, you guys. So I'm just contouring every part of my face. I'll usually contour using my finger to apply the contour shade I'm using. So now I'm going in with my blush. I really need to buy a cream blush, you guys, but I am addicted to using this Becharm ageless lip face. I'm going to be using this too, the orange. I mainly want to do like an orange kind of look, but I would still miss this peach color in it like a bit. Next, I'm going in with my foundation. In this foundation I'm using today is this LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Illuminating Foundation in bronze. So the shade I'm using is bronze. I have applied my concealer, I have applied my contour, I have applied my blush. So I'm going in with my foundation in all the places that there's no product at all. This way, instead of layering your makeup product like from foundation to highlighter to contour to blush and all of that, you get to just apply everything all at once, then blend. That is that's the main reason for this technique, so you do not have so many layers of makeup, and I think that is why it is called the single layer / one layer makeup technique. I'm just going to set everything now with this Skin Mist from Omaricode, then head on to blend with my brush. You guys, I have not blended my makeup with a brush in a very long time. I feel like I am addicted to using a beauty sponge to blend my makeup, but today I have decided to follow through with everything she did in that video I saw. So I'm going to be using a brush to blend my makeup, different brushes to be honest, so I do not mix up everything. So let's mist my face now. So I'm going to go in from the lightest product to the dark one. I feel like with brush you get a better coverage, so it's also part of the reason I decided to use a brush. So I feel like this part of my under eye is brighter. Maybe I applied like quite more products there than the other part of my under eye, but yeah. So I'm blending now. Also, if you feel like the products are not blending well, you can add on to mist your face again. Yeah, which means like I really cannot see where this is ending up right now, but I'm trusting the process, you guys. Trust the process, they say, so I'm trusting it. I'm trusting the process, you guys. Just keep me in your prayers. This brush I'm using is from Viccabel, NK3 from Viccabel. So that's what I'm using to blend. This is my highlight shade. I'm going to add on now to blend my foundation, you guys, using another brush from Viccabel in NK4. So this way I am going from the lightest shade, from the lightest product on my face to the darkest one. Sincerely trusting the process, because why not? If other people have tried it, why can I not try it? My mom not call, I know the reason why I'm doing this. Also, in case it flops, so you don't end up trying. So if you're using as an example the I mean now been a better creations, tried it too. She was looking like an OGG. Yeah. So I'm going in now to blend my blush, and I'm going to be using this one from Zoeva. And now I'm going to blend my contour. I feel like maybe I should mist my face again so I can blend well. I feel like this brush is really doing it for me, so I'm going to clean it up now, then use it to blend my whole face. I'm showing my brush now with this methylated spirits to clean it, so I can go in now to use it to blend all the products together. The reason I'm cleaning is so that I don't mix anything up, you guys. I feel like maybe I should go in again with the setting mist. See? Just tapping, you guys. Cleaning my brush again, then I'm going to go in with my foundation. Maybe I might start doing my makeup again with brush. I'm going to clean my brush again and go in to blend my blush. Clean my brush again and blend my contour. I really feel like I am going to have to go back to my under eye. I'm not going to set it again. I'm just going to go there and blend for the last time. This is what my base is looking like. If anybody has told me this is going to turn out this way, I said no. I really do not think I want to go in and set again. Keep going and set our face again. Anybody watching that video right now, can you tell me the shade? Should I? Yeah, I will. I use this setting spray from Zaron. This one. Yeah. So I'm just going to use my fan to dry that in. So I'm going to head on and set everywhere with powder. I'm using this puff from, where's it from? I can't remember, but I'm going to be using it to set the whole of my face. This powder I'm using is from V Beauty. For my under eye, I'm going to be using Becharm to set my under eye. I'm really not feeling using this puff to apply my powder, you guys. It is what it is. This is what she did, so I'm just following through with all the steps, but I'm really not feeling it. For the part where I applied foundation, I'm going to be using this shade in Sweet Honey to set that part. I'm just dabbing the powder on, you guys. More. Using the damn beauty blend, I'm going to set my contour. Still using the same powder palette from Belle Beauty, I'm going to be using the shade Maroon to set my contour. I'm going to set my blush using the other side of the beauty blender. This was the side I used for my contour. This is the side I'm using now. This is the palette I'm going to use. So I'm going to use this pink shade and this orange shade together to set my blush. This is like literally the first time I'm filming a whole video without artificial lighting, and I am really anxious about how this whole thing will come out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you leave a comment when you see this video, you guys. It really means a lot to me. So I'm going to head on now and do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to show you all the final fingers crossed. So here is the finished look, guys. What do you guys think about this look? Will you be trying this look? Have you tried this single layer makeup technique, better still one layer makeup technique? Let me know what you think in the comment section. I really like how this turned out, you guys. Like I said, I am using natural light, no artificial light used, and my face is popping, guys. I really like this technique, and I am definitely going to be trying it again, but I'm not sure if I'll be trying it on a client because. So basically that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know whenever you try this technique and if you'll be trying it pretty soon. And keep making the world a better place. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.